Oliver, it's very interesting that you fund your own traders, that they don't have to risk their own capital. And that's very novel of you, Oliver. And here comes the dumb question. But that would mean that I'm an employee of yours, right? And I don't want to be an employee of you. I don't want to work for Oliver Velez. I don't want to be Oliver Velez's employee. You know, do you have another option that does not involve being an employee for you? It's like, what? Are you kidding me? Seriously? That's the question. So let me get this straight. So you want to open up a bakery because you have just learned how to make the most awesome different types of breads with raisin and nuts. And you have this special formula that has been passed down from generation to generation by your family. And you want to open up your first bakery, and you go to the bank and you put out your business plan to the bank loan official, and they approve you and say, listen, we will give you $50,000 to start this business. Are you the bank's employee? So because I fund my traders, that means you work for me? No, I am funding your own business. In the game of professional trading, no one tells you when to trade, where to trade, how much to trade, how often, how big, and for the most part, not even what to trade. No one tells my traders, you have to trade 9:30 to the close every day. No, my traders trade whenever they want. I have traders, no one tells my traders that you must trade 5 days every week. I have traders that trade 1 day a week because that's the day they have off from their regular job. And they're going to try to kill the market on that one day. I have traders that trade 30 minutes a day. I have traders, and that's it, and they're done. I have traders that trade every day, all day long, every minute of the day. They barely go to the bathroom because they don't want to leave their screens. It is up to them. This is their business. Trading, the beautiful thing about trading is that it is the last item left on earth that is unadulterated freedom and independence. With just a laptop computer and internet connection, you are in business from anywhere in the world, and you do not have to be chained to a desk or a specific location or an office. You do not have to leave your home if you do not want to. You do not have to leave your bedroom if you do not want to. You do not have to go out and bear the inclement weather during inclement weather times. You do not have to find parking. You do not have to pay transportation fees. You do not have to pay for certain types of insurances. You don't need uniforms. You simply need a laptop computer and money. That's it. A laptop computer and internet connection and money. And okay, let's throw the most important element out there, skill and education regarding proper trading, right? But those are the only four things you need to get educated about how to properly trade, all right? Because that doesn't fall out of the sky. No one's born with the gift of trading, all right? So we need to do that. You need to get educated. You need a laptop computer, and I recommend trading off of a laptop. I don't want my traders getting accustomed to trading with these big giant trading platforms with 8 different monitors. Where can you take that? Can you take that to the local Starbucks and trade? If you want to go picnic with your girlfriend, you can take your laptop that as long as you can connect it to the connection on your cell phone or pipe into some hotspot from the park that you're going to have a little picnic on, you can flip that, as long as it's okay with her, you can flip that little laptop up while she feeds you, wine and some grapes and some different assortment of cheeses, and you're keeping track of your trades. the beautiful thing about this is that you are always your own person. No one holds a gun to your head and forces you to press the buy button or press the sell button. This is your business. And the faster you start approaching trading like a business, all right, the faster you will skip, and the faster you will travel toward the ultimate goal of trading mastery. Trading is not an activity. Trading is a business. And you are the business because trading flows from you. So any investment that you make in trading is an investment in your own business. And this activity is so amazing that you get wonderful tax benefits and write-offs from being in the business of trading. Every piece of technology you purchase, every book, every seminar, every trip that is associated with trading, like my Cancun or Medellin Trade the Open Like a Boss events, totally write-offable. This is an amazing business that offers the highest level of freedom and independence. And the question is dumb, because how can you take the freest activity and think that just because you utilize someone else's capital that you're an employee? No, this is the opposite of an employee. You're an entrepreneur.